Hello guys, what's up? My name is Chirag and welcome to Coding with Python Part 6. So today we are going to be learning about while loops. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So while loops are used to execute a set of statements when a condition is true. So for example, if I is smaller than 6 and we tell it to print I, then it's going to print I until I is smaller than 6. So let's say for example we take I is equal to 0, which is a variable, and remember we always need a variable to perform a while loop. Then we write while I is smaller than let's say 10 for this example, because 6 is too small for this example, and then we put colons, and now we can say print I, and now you're going to notice that it's going to print I, which is 0, infinitely. Why? Because we are not increasing the value of I at the end of the loop, which makes it an infinite loop, because the statement is always true. So you might see that it has stopped, but it actually hasn't stopped. As you can see, this stop button is actually still like highlighted so that we can stop it, and now the code has stopped. So if you want to stop the code when it's equal to 9 or smaller than 10, then you have to increment the variable, which means you have to increase the value. I'm going to say I is equal to I plus 1. So 1 second, I is equal to I plus 1. This ways, every time it prints I, after that it's going to increase the value of I by 1. And when it comes back over here, the value this time is going to be 2, and so on. So let's run this. And as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the loop has ended at 9. So now if I want to stop the loop when it's equal to 5 or any number, I'm going to use a keyword called break. So this is how you use it. You go on the next line and then you type if I is equal to the number you wanted to stop at. I'm going to say 6 for this example, because I wanted to stop at 5. You'll see why I'm saying 6, although I wanted to stop at 5. So I'm going to say if I is equal 6, then colon, then we go on the next line and we type break. So this way it's going to continue the loop till it's equal to 5, till it's equal to 6, and then it's going to stop. So as you can see, it has stopped at 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also skip a particular element in the loop by writing this line of code. So first of all, we are going to switch the positions of print and the increment. So let's cut this and paste this above print like that. And now you start an if else loop and you say if I equal the number you want to skip. For my case, I wanted to skip 7, colon, and then you go on the next line and type the keyword called continue. And now let's test this out. So in this case, it's going to skip 0, I think, because we incremented before printing, but that's still okay. I think we can figure out a way to just let it print 0 by putting a print statement before the while loop. But in our cases, we don't really need the 0. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, where's 7? Why? Because it's missing 8 and 9. And it also prints 10 because it's first incrementing it and then printing it, as I said. And that's it for this video. So make your unique projects and tag me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram in the description. Please like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. You all have a good day. Goodbye.